Hi guys, so today it's a quick tutorial and today I'm gonna show you how to make a styrofoam thumbtack ball as a decor piece for your home. You're gonna need a container, a vase of some sort to put in your thumbtack balls. You're gonna need some styrofoam balls, and these I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and they're just these little balls of various sizes. And you're gonna need some thumbtacks, and I picked these up at the Dollar Tree as well. So I picked up actually 2 packs of these. They're a 300 count, as you could see here, although I'm pretty sure I won't use all 300 on all the balls because as I mentioned, they're different size balls, but I picked up 2 bags just for safe measure. Okay, so it's real simple. I do not take full credit at all for this DIY decor. There are tons of videos on YouTube about thumbtack balls, so feel free to search for those on YouTube. And I chose gold thumbtacks because my bathroom, I plan on putting this in my bathroom in the vase, and my bathroom color scheme is beige slash cream and brown, so I figured a gold would go better than silver. So basically all I'm gonna do is just take my thumbtacks, as you can see here, and I'm just gonna stick it into the ball. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until the whole ball is covered. And I'm making sure to put it in a way that it's, don't know if you could see that it's overlaying a bit. Oops, sorry. Like that. So I'm just gonna keep doing this, and I'll be back with the finished product. Alright guys, so I'm back and just wanted to show you the finished product. So once the ball is completely covered in thumbtack, this is what it looks like. And I filled up the jar, and this is what the jar looks like. I hope you could hear me. Excuse my voice. I seem to have caught a cold and dealing with a bit of hoarseness. My voice keeps going in and out. But I'm just showing you what it looks like. Real simple, but real nice. And I underestimated the amount of thumbtacks that this project would take. So I informed you I bought 2 packs of thumbtacks with the 300 count, and I said I thought I would not use an entire pack. However, I used a full pack, and the second pack this is all I have left in the second pack. So obviously this project takes up quite a bit of thumbtacks. So I would say if you do have a bit more, or your balls are bigger than this, you may definitely want to load up on this thumbtacks. But yeah, this is the finished product, and I really like how it turned out. It's real simple, but yet a bit chic at the same time. And I will insert a picture of what it looks like in my bathroom. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you guys, or instead you will see me, in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay blessed. Bye.